Arts Producciones presenta.
Tuboscope, leader in the field of inspection of pipe and related fittings for the oil and geothermal industries, came about in the 70s as a result of the growth of these areas and the challenges posed by the current technical advances. The main offices of Tuboscope are located in the Bruno Bagliai Industrial City in the port of Veracruz, Mexico. With our general operations, quality, purchasing and administrative management divisions. The inspection services of Tuboscope include the following. New pipe inspection. This inspection is conducted to detect flaws in the pipe structure, in addition to variations in wall thickness and a comparison of steel grade, to which end we use electromagnetic equipment in 4 stages. Analog, for detection of longitudinal flaws. Sonoscope, for detection of transverse and 3-dimensional flaws. Gamma, for detection of variations in pipe thickness. Steel grade comparer. All the results of this inspection are recorded in a graph which is thoroughly analyzed. End areas. As a supplement to electromagnetic inspection, an additional inspection is conducted on the end areas of the pipe with dry or wet magnetic particles. In the case of wet fluorescent inspection, the intensity of black light and the concentration of the solution used are measured to verify it falls between the parameters established. The inspection of end areas is also done with ultrasonic equipment in its compressional and angular modes, which is also used to verify any flaws found with the electromagnetic equipment between the outside and inside pipe surfaces. If required by the customer, a visual and dimensional inspection of the pipe body and its threatened areas can be conducted. Used pipe inspection. For casing and tubing, the inspection is conducted with the same electromagnetic equipment used to inspect new pipe. Drill pipe inspection is conducted by means of electromagnetic equipment, which consists of a coil generating a longitudinal magnetic field and a detector generally known as a bug, which are pushed from the offset of one end of the pipe to the opposite end for detection of transverse and 3-dimensional flaws in the pipe body. The whole pipe body is also checked with a tool called OD gauge, which determines the degree of wear or damage, such as mashes and stretches. We currently have model SB3 equipment, which, in addition to the detection of transverse and 3-dimensional defects capabilities, includes a system to monitor the pipe body wall thickness. End areas. For the end areas where most fatigue cracks occur, we have equipment using the ultrasonic technique in its angular mode for detection of internal or external cracks. Once the gaskets have been cleaned, they undergo a dimensional or visual inspection to detect visible damages, and with the help of a profile meter, we determine the wear. We also use a pitch meter to determine the elongation of threads. Threaded areas are inspected with wet or dry magnetic particles to detect cracks. The condition of pipe already in use must be periodically inspected and classified. Inspection of bottom hole assembly of drill string and special tools. The components of bottom hole assembly, such as drill collars, heavyweight, bits, stabilizers and substitutes, as well as special tools such as jars, bumpers, rotary motor, safety bulbs, fishing tool, mills, and the Kelly must be periodically inspected to determine their condition. Likewise, after cleaning up the areas to be inspected, a visual and dimensional inspection is conducted to determine visible damage by means of a profile gauge to determine thread wear or stretch. The threaded and adjacent areas are inspected with wet, magnetic, fluorescent particles, previously generating a longitudinal magnetic field by means of a drill collar or magnetizing unit to determine the presence of transverse cracks. The criteria for acceptance or rejection for the different types of pipe follow the applicable API standards or the customer's requirements. Additional services. In addition to the above-mentioned services, Tuboscope provides a range of additional services to assist users of pipe in its maintenance. These services include internal and external cleaning with a hub city unit and a reamer, refacing of seals, rental of equipment for loading or unloading of pipe, straightening, application of external and internal coating, coupling and decoupling, application of hard bands, sandblast and water blast. Tuboscope also has a laboratory operated by duly trained personnel for the calibration of the inspection, measuring, and test equipment used for the various inspections procedures. Our reference standards are traceable nationally and internationally according to the established quality standards. We also have a training department running courses for both administrative personnel and personnel involved in inspection techniques. Our courses are given by highly qualified internal or external professionals. Plus, we have a great electronic and mechanical workshop in charge of the preventive and corrective maintenance for our different inspection units. We also have a fully stocked warehouse to perform the corresponding activities, as well as the elements necessary for the company's maintenance jobs. Tuboscope is a thriving and successful company committed to providing high-quality services with leading-edge technology and high-quality human resources. Tuboscope is a company with a wide experience in the field of non-destructive tests used in the different services for piping inspection and classification. All this experience, combined with the joint efforts of its staff in its different areas, allowed us to receive the highest international recognitions by the industry. Tuboscope is fully at your service. Please contact us in the following areas.